very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when senses align and attune to their source. Ladies and gentlemen, alignment is a universal principle. Wherever alignment exists, energy organizes itself, intelligence expresses clarity, and systems function at their highest potential. The human being is no exception. The body, brain, senses, and awareness are designed to operate through connection, alignment, and attunement with their source. When the seeker attunes to the source, transformation unfolds as a natural outcome. This transformation arises from within the design itself. Every soul carries this capacity. Human evolution is driven by attunement and resonance, by bringing perception back into harmony with its origin. Modern neuroscience provides a strong intellectual foundation for this understanding. Research on sensory integration shows that when sensory signals are coherent and synchronized, the brain functions with greater efficiency, improved clarity, and enhanced decision making. Functional imaging studies reveal increased integration across brain networks, particularly involving the prefrontal cortex, which governs awareness, insight, and conscious regulation. Biology adds further depth. The nervous system communicates through rhythmic electrical activity. When sensory input is attentive and aligned, these rhythms synchronize through a process known as neural entrainment, creating stability, coherence, and heightened awareness. Ancient wisdom recognized this principle through direct observation of life. The senses were understood as instruments designed for attunement with their source. Each sense carries an origin, and understanding that origin refines perception. The source of hearing is vibration. Attentive listening allows awareness to connect directly with resonance, whether in spoken words, silence, or prayerful communion. The source of vision is light. Conscious observation aligns perception with the intelligence of light, enhancing clarity and depth. The source of touch is energy exchange. Awareness in touch grounds perception in the present moment. The source of taste is a sense. Attentive tasting refines discernment and nourishment. The source of smell is chemistry intertwined with memory. Awareness here supports emotional balance and recall. Beyond these lies the intuitive sense, whose source is awareness itself. Neuroscience associates intuition with rapid integrative processing across brain systems. Ancient traditions described this as buddhi, the intelligence that perceives wholes. Attunement is the unifying principle. In physics, attuned systems resonate efficiently with energy. In music, an attuned instrument produces harmony. In human consciousness, attuned senses gather energy and direct it inward. Nature offers a simple and universal illustration. A sunflower responds naturally to light. Its internal design aligns its movement with the source of energy, the sun, sustaining growth, nourishment, and stability. In the same way, when human senses attune to their source, inner systems reorganize toward harmony. As sensory energy aligns and converges, it illuminates what is called the inner sun, the center of awareness within. Neuroscience reflects this through increased coherence across brain networks. Ancient wisdom described it as inner luminosity. What's the way forward? As understanding matures, connection, alignment, and attunement become natural. Attention refines perception. Presence enhances sensitivity. Awareness learns through experience. Gradually, the senses cooperate, energy gathers inward, and clarity stabilizes. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, this state of aligned and attuned living is beautifully affirmed by Lord Krishna in the revered Bhagavad Gita. Yoga is excellence in action. Action arising from alignment, balance, and inner clarity. When senses align and attune to their source, the inner sun shines steadily. Awareness becomes luminous. Intelligence becomes integrated, and human life fulfills its highest design to live as a conscious expression of harmony between inside and outside, between the finite and the infinite. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.